What's up, y'all? It's your boy JC here, back again with the first video for 2021. Y'all, I just want to take this opportunity to wish y'all Happy New Year. Hope y'all had fun over the holidays. I got fat. But before we get started, I just want to ask you, did you guys get any gifts for your car over the holidays? Let me know in the comment section below what you got. As for me, I think I have tires on the way, so for this year. So that's good stuff, man. Really not much planned for this video. Just wanted to share with you guys some goals that I had for 2021, and that's on here. So here I have Mark II, get it ready for spring. Where we're at with it now, I got my 50mm intake manifold powder coated and I'm done up. If you missed it, that's what it looks like now. And I got the valve cover done up in yellow. I explained this on Instagram. The reason why I went with this scheme was because I've always been a fan of like spoon yellow on my old Honda cars. Never got around to finishing any of my Hondas, so this is kind of like paying homage to those cars. So that's gonna look dope on that. I got a box here from Rock Auto. It's got the gaskets that I need to throw everything together along with the throttle body. But throttle body's right there. Really all I need now is to grab this top, like this upper intake manifold gasket from a friend. So that's where we're at with that, but let's go on with the rest of the goals that we have for this year. Number 2, consistent videos. If you haven't missed it, the last couple videos have been on Mason's cars. The reason for that is because I try to work within a budget for my cars, and sometimes, as you would expect, when you run out of budget, you run out of things to do, and you lose out on content because there's nothing going on with your car. So I figured, like, you know, to be more consistent, I gotta hold myself accountable, and to do that, I'm gonna start doing videos on some friends' cars because I get a lot of my inspiration from them and my homies out here in the East. Like our little Volkswagen family out here, they have some nice cars too. Really want to like do more storytelling from their end kind of videos, just showcasing their cars and their story about it, how they want to build it and everything. So stay tuned for that. All right, number 3, here we have Twitch. And basically I got this idea from a friend. Shout outs to Mark B for letting me know. He put me on the idea of starting a Twitch stream because he had a friend rebuilding a Honda engine, and that really helped this channel grow. So if you have any ideas on how to promote this channel on Twitch, let me know. Drop a comment below. Really interested on what you guys may teach me. I have no idea on what category I should go with to help promote the channel on Twitch. So, and that's related to number 4. Reason why we're doing Twitch is to get 1,000 subs now. Now, at the time of this video, we're at like 729 subs. Like, I know it's been a hard year for everybody. Last year was because of COVID and like all that. But the channel did grow during the course of the year. And I just want to like thank you for riding with me. So shouts to both my OG subscribers and the new subscribers. You're in for a ride. I know that I haven't been super reliable and consistent with the videos, but that's all gonna change this year. I'm gonna hold myself more accountable, and it's gonna be a good year. All right, that takes us to the Mark II. So basically we covered the 50mm manifold. Just gotta put gaskets on that, prep the surfaces, throw that on. But here's the second part: missing hardware, vacuum caps, inline filter, breather filter, grease, and coolant. Basically the things that I'm gonna need for reassembly to throw the engine back in the car. Kind of stuck with that step right now because Ontario, Canada right now is in a state of lockdown, so only essential travel permitted outside. Most retail stores are closed, only open for just curbside pickup, which kind of like is a pain in the ass. And at the same time, I am also in quarantine because I just flew in back from Chicago on the holidays. So number 2 is kind of iffy right now. Number 3 is reassembly. Basically I can't do the reassembly without doing step 2 and just gathering all those parts. Number 4, coilovers. I got the coilovers right there. They're just sitting there, just really waiting for a warm day to tackle that. Number 5, tires. That's on the way. Basically we're gonna run the Zenders this year, but I'm gonna throw like a lower profile tire so it can go lower. That's gonna look really good. Muffler is right there. I'm gonna find time to throw that on as it gets warmer. Obviously alignment, probably gonna use Lee's because they have like the lowest rack available out here in the East. Cam swap for when we have it out on the road, registered and on insurance. I'm gonna hit up Dan Monroe for help on that. Dan knows like his Mark II 16 valve stuff really well. Wing, Picked up a wing. Oh, well here, right here. I'm gonna throw that on, and you can see that, you know, this is a spoiler, but like this is the front end I'm gonna rock this year. So I got the hella covers, and I got like my own like patina thing going on here. So that's gonna be my look for this year. Still contemplating whether to like paint that red stripe around the grill or not, but we'll get there. Finally, welding. As you know, I got some spots that require welding, like especially this spot, and some like one spot back there, another spot back there. I hit up Dave this year. He's gonna help me teach me how to weld on my own car. So stay tuned for that later in the year. Hopefully in the summer or late in the spring, I don't know. Obviously depending on when we're gonna get this back in there. Finally, serpentine belt conversion. Yeah, so basically get those parts from UNC and do the swap on the serpentine belt conversion for the 16 valve. I'm not saying that's all I have planned for the Mark II, but definitely those 11 things are basically my priority for the year. Still a lot of stuff to tackle. Like I do want to eventually do a like proper tuck, and you know, just little things here and there. Next week I'll probably try to get live on Twitch, and just for the heck of it, while I'm on the stream, I'm gonna try to mount my wide end steelies. I've never actually test fitted them. I have no idea what offset they are. I kind of asked the guy to just keep them the same and just add, you know, 1 inch to the fronts, and I think it's 2 inches to the rear. So who knows what that's gonna fit like. I hope it clears the hub, but I guess we won't find out till next week. So there you have it, guys. I hope I gave you something to look forward to this year. Let's crush our goals together. Always remember, set yourselves apart. And till next time, peace.